Hi friends, welcome to our channel. In this video, I will show you and tell you how you can enable offline mode in WhatsApp. Please friends, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, put your likes, and also make sure to write your comments after watching this video. So let's get down to our topic. And for this, open the WhatsApp application on your phone. Then you need to go to Settings in the bottom right corner, and then go to Privacy, and then you need to select this very first section. And so the next thing you need to do is you need to select the very last line in the first menu, which is that no one can see you online. Then in the next menu you have to select this one. And thanks to these two features, no one will be able to see whether you are online or offline on WhatsApp. But in the same way, you will also not be able to see whether your conversation partner is offline or not, or whether all your friends are online or not. With such simple steps, friends, you will be able to just appear offline in WhatsApp. I hope this video has been useful for you. Please put your likes, write your comments. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. See you soon.